Hi, I'm Sophia. I used to lie awake at 2 a.m. not because I couldn't sleep, but because my mind wouldn't stop replaying the same day over and over, exhausted, overthinking everything. And no matter what I tried, the same stress kept looping back. I've been there. I tried the therapy, meditation, hypnosis, even those expensive mindset courses that promise transformation. They helped me understand myself, but they didn't change how I felt day to day. That's when I realized it wasn't willpower, it was my brain. About 95% of what we do every day happens subconsciously, like an iceberg, most of it below the surface. So if you only work with the conscious 5%, change can't last. When you learn how to retrain your brain at that deeper level, everything shifts. That's what Change Your Mind Creates New Results is about, a neuroscience-based program created by Dr. Joe Dispenza. It worked so profoundly for me that I became certified to teach it. Now I help people move from stress and self-doubt into calm, clear, confident living by literally rewiring the brain's pathways for change. This isn't another motivational talk. In the free 75 live preview, you'll experience the change for yourself. You'll discover 2 neuroscience models that reveal why you've been stuck and show you exactly how to rewire those patterns. You'll practice a simple brain exercise, a pattern interrupt that breaks negative thoughts, loops in seconds, and you'll experience a future self-connection exercise grounded in neuroscience that helps your brain start predicting new possibilities instead of replaying the old ones. You'll feel the difference in real time. And if you love it, you can continue to the full 4-day course with a 30-day guided follow-up to help you embody these tools until they become second nature. When you enroll in the full course, you can even bring a friend completely free so you can experience this transformation together and keep each other accountable long after it ends. Even companies like Google, Microsoft, and Coca-Cola use the same neuroscience frameworks because they work. Seats for the free 75-minute class are limited, so everyone gets personal support. It's live, interactive, and designed for real results. Click the link right below this video to reserve your free spot now. Your calm, clear, confident future self is already waiting. Let's meet her together. See you in class.